everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a quick recreation of a look by one of the Instagram artists, Queen Shana, and I am doing this in collaboration with Ishamoy Williams, and she's a fellow makeup artist and a YouTuber and also a fellow Jamaican. So shout out to my girl Ishamoy right here, and you can find her and follow her on Instagram at Ishamoy Williams, or also on YouTube at Ishamoy Williams. Go ahead and show my girl some love, okay? Alright, so right now I have to apologize first thing for my gum chewing, and let me explain what's going on with gum chewing. I am currently fighting the flu, and because of that I keep coughing while I was making the video. So in order to stop the coughing and control it so I don't create a mess, I had to go ahead and chew some gum, and this really helps a lot with maintaining the dryness and liquid in my mouth, so I was able to complete the video. So I want to apologize for that. So the first thing I've done is I went into my two Urban Decay palette, which is the electric palette and the Smokey eye palette, our Smokey palette, and I had these two palettes for years. For years I had them, and I finished them and I reordered. I haven't stopped using them because the color paid off. Is just gorgeous. Whether dry or wet, it's beautiful to work with. So I went ahead and in the crease I put a red / pinkish color, and then in the corner a purple, and then a black over it to darken the area. Now I'm applying a blue, slightly green shade on the eyelid, and I'm just patting that in. I'm doing this dry at the moment, and now I'm just going in and I'm just blending everything out. Each time I apply some eyelash, each time I apply some eyeshadow, I just blend it out. So guys, this is what the eye turned out to look like, and right now what I just put over my face is the Revlon Skinlight eyeliner, and I love to use that. I use that by itself most days, and you cannot tell that I'm not wearing makeup. If I add a little concealer under the eye and everything, it looks just as if I'm wearing a foundation. So I'm also using for foundation the Makeup Revolution, and remember the shade, I will leave it in the description box. But I love this foundation. It's inexpensive, it blends beautifully, it have a great odor, and it doesn't leave you with any flashback in your videos. So I'm just going through and blending all this out right now, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some concealer. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fitme concealer. I believe this is the shade 35, which is like coffee or something like that. So that's the shade I'm using, and as you can see, it matches so perfectly with foundation. You can already tell I'm even putting in any concealer. So I'm just putting the concealer around my problem area, which is around my mouth, below my lips, over my forehead, because I have like a few bruises and spots over my forehead, and underneath my eye, which is looking crazy from going through the flu for the last few days. I'm sorry, I'm still stumbling up in my words. So now I'm going to use the Black Opal setting powder, and I believe this is in medium, and you can find this in Walmart. It's about $9.99. I don't know if there is a price still. And once again, I'm sending out a shout to my girl Ishamoy Williams. Find her on Instagram, follow her on Instagram, subscribe to her on YouTube, okay? So now I'm just using my Clean Latif bronzer, and I'm using this to contour with. And I'm not doing a very deep contour, I'm doing a light contour, because when I'm finished I'm going to be taking off this makeup. I'm just doing this makeup just for this video. As you can see, my husband keep distracting me, And whenever I do my video, he does this. He come in there and he have a million and one question and he distract me a lot, because he have a million and one questions. And now I'm going in with my matte finishing powder. I don't remember the exact shade, but I will also leave that in the description box below. Why do I keep saying bottle? Oh god, I'm so sorry. I apologize for that. And I keep yawning, and it's not because I'm bored. It's because the medication I'm taking is like sitting inside me. And right now I am editing this video, and I'm sitting outside in my car waiting for my daughter to start school. So you know, it's just mommy duty. Mommy duty. You never get enough rest. Which I feel like I Anyway, for my lip, I'm gonna be using a Wet n Wild lip liner. For my waterway, I am using a L'Oreal palette, Paris. Oh god, L'Oreal Paris liner. And for my blush, I am using Milani's Carolina, which is 08 for my lip liner, Wet n Wild. And my lip, I'm using Milani's shade 17 Sensational, which is like a light pink. And then I'm just gonna reinforce that with NYX there it is, huh? So right now I'm pretty much just setting my face with a elf setting powder, and I'm using my L'Oreal Paris voluminous eyelash tamer, and I'm going to apply some lashes, and it's just some normal lashes that I pick up in TJ Maxx. And I'm going to use the dual glue, and I'm going to attach these. Now, not everybody wear lashes because it's not very easy for everyone to put on. But for me, once I got into the practice of practicing every day, it become much easier for me to apply. Because what happens is that you can do your makeup and you look beautiful, but trust me, when you put on the lashes, it makes you look like $1 million. You know what I mean? Just $1 million. And I am just touching up these shades. Also, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's Roxanne Henry at YouTube, and on Instagram it's HIDIEE. And remember to follow, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And trust me, there's a lot more for you to see. Just go ahead and click on my name or type it into YouTube, and you can watch some other content that I've created. And I know you guys will enjoy it. You will find something for yourself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And once again, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. I'm coming up with the final look, final picture for this look, and he's gonna eat some bread. But this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in.